Bitcoin broke the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, guys, exactly as predicted. And right now we are seeing a continuational move to the downside. And I want to congratulate every single one of you who took this trade with me. In today's video, guys, I will show you the exact levels that I'm watching right here in the Bitcoin chart to accumulate for the next run to the upside. But I will show you as well where we might see a bounce right here in the shorter term time frame. So guys, drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And guys, right now let's jump into the head and shoulders pattern right here. But before we are zooming in right there on the Bitcoin chart, guys, let's all take a minute, especially when you took this trade, and scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be amazing. Let's get as much likes as possible on today's video. So when we have a look at the Bitcoin price action, right now we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. Then in yesterday's video, I've been already saying that most likely we are going to see a break of the neckline right here due to a couple of reasons. We have seen some bearish signs, like for example that Bitcoin has breaking below the 20 daily moving average. And like I've said in yesterday's video as well, if we were to close yesterday with a red candle, then most likely, or the chances are highly increasing that we are going to break the neckline right here. And that is exactly what we did. We broke the neckline. We saw a nice increase in the amount of volume, and this is so far actually a awesome trade, guys. And if you took this short with me, then right now you would be approximately 11% in profit. But if you took the short with me the moment we broke the triangle formation with another support zone right here, then you would be in profit approximately 14 to 15%. So guys, I want to congratulate every single one of you who took this trade with me. Right now it is important that you set your stop loss at the right levels, so that even though the price is going back up, you're still getting stopped out in profit. And guys, before I'm going to show you the potential scenarios right now in the Bitcoin chart and the exact levels that I'm watching, I want to show you a comment from Teresa. And Teresa is one of my students from my cryptocurrency trading course. And she is saying, great question about what is your end goal. This was for my previous video about if you want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, or whether you are trading in the US dollar comparative. And she's saying, appreciate how generous with your knowledge you are, Jeroen. Loving your course, very helpful. And Teresa, thank you. First of all, I want to thank you for having the trust in me enrolling for the cryptocurrency trading course. And I want to give you a compliment as well, because you are one of the students who did the cryptocurrency trading course in a record time. I think you finished it in a couple of days, and that is just amazing. And I can already see that you are making big steps within your trading process, so congratulations with that. And guys, to celebrate that Bitcoin right now broke the neckline right here, and to celebrate that Bitcoin is giving us another opportunity to buy the dip, I'm right now have activated a discount for my cryptocurrency trading course. Right now you can get a $50 discount if you enter the coupon code BTFD, buy the F dip. And guys, I think this is a moment for celebration, because we have been selling Bitcoin right here exactly at the top. We had a Fibonacci extension level right here where we got rejected from, and the moment we broke below this important Fibonacci extension level, that was the moment that I have been creating a video that it is a good moment to short and to hedge your Bitcoin into US dollar. So we are actually short from the moment we have seen the drop right here from this Fibonacci extension level, which is awesome, guys, when we have a look at Bitcoin right now at these lower levels. So guys, I'm very happy with that. Trading is going quite well, and right now is the big question, of course, what is going to happen with Bitcoin right now? Well, first of all, guys, if you've entered a trade, if you took a short right here from the triangle formation, or you took a short from the neckline, right now, it doesn't matter which trade you took, you are in profit. Make sure that you will leave this trade as well in profit. So always have a stop loss, that even though when the price is coming up, when the pullback or correction is over, you are still being stopped out in profit. Then let's have a look at a couple of levels, because something is interesting right here, and that is these horizontal support and resistance levels. I have been mentioning these horizontal support and resistance levels in my previous videos, guys, and if we have a look at the price of Bitcoin, then we can see that Bitcoin is just respecting these levels perfectly. Right here we had a break below this level, we backtested this level as resistance, and we saw a further drop to the downside, and right now Bitcoin is getting supported from this horizontal support zone, which is starting at approximately 29,670 up to approximately 29,870, and yeah, as you can see, it has been acting as resistance as well as support. That is the reason that that I have drawn this zone. And guys, right now it looks like that we could be seeing a bounce from this level, at least that is a possibility, because if we go to the 1 hour time frame right here and we bring out the RSI, then we can actually see already something interesting. We are seeing a bullish divergence where in the price we have been setting a lower low, but in the RSI we have been setting a higher low. So this could mean that in the shorter term time frame we are going to see a bounce. And the big question is, of course, do I think that the drop right now is over? Could the pullback be finished right now, and could we be starting a new uptrend? Is it a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. Do I think that that is the most likely scenario right now? Personally, guys, I don't think that this is the most likely scenario right now, because we aren't seeing yet these divergences on a bigger time frame. Normally, we would like to see, when Bitcoin is transitioning from a downtrend into a new uptrend, we want to like to see a divergence on a bigger time frame than the 1 hour time frame. I think this divergence on the 1 hour time frame could signal a bounce. We could be testing the former resistance right here again. That is definitely possible that Bitcoin would come up right here, and yeah, eventually, most likely, or the odds are bigger that we are getting rejected right here than that we are breaking out to the upside. If we are breaking out to the upside, then we have the level, of course, right here, which we are going to test, the former neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, guys. And this is also a reason why I do think that Bitcoin still could see lower levels, is due to the fact that if this were to be a head and shoulders pattern playing out, then right now we are still quite far from the target. And I don't necessarily think that Bitcoin is going to reach the target, because the target of this head and shoulders pattern is actually quite low, I have to say. So that is the width of the head till the neckline put at the point of breakout. Then we can see that the target right here of the head and shoulders pattern is at approximately $22,000 US, 22,500. The interesting thing from this level, 22,500, approximately 22,000, is that this is aligning with a major support level below us. So that is something quite significant, I do have to say. But yeah, I think right now it's too early to say whether Bitcoin could reach these levels. It's definitely possible that Bitcoin is going to reach these levels, but yeah, it's also still possible that Bitcoin is going to reverse earlier on and continue this uptrend. Then, guys, I have another reason why I don't think, or where it would not be that logical if Bitcoin would be bottoming right here, and that is due to these Fibonacci levels. So, guys, when we have a look at the Fibonacci levels, yesterday I have been tweeting about it over on my Twitter. If you guys not following me on Twitter yet, you can follow me on Twitter. The link to my Twitter account is down below in the description. But basically I said, okay, right now we are testing the first Fibonacci level, the 23% Fibonacci level, and if we were to get a daily close below this level, then that is definitely increasing the likelihood that we will be coming down to the next Fibonacci level, which is the 38.20% Fibonacci level. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin is trading between these two Fibonacci levels. So it would make sense, guys, if we eventually see Bitcoin coming down to the 38.20%. And of course, if we were to break this level decisively, then we could be traveling down to the next Fibonacci level, the 50% Fibonacci level. So the 38.20 Fibonacci level right now is at approximately 27,700. Then the 50% Fibonacci level is at approximately 23,230. And we have, of course, the most important level right here, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, which is right now at approximately 18,700. Is it possible that Bitcoin is going to see that level? Yes, it is possible. It is a very significant level in the Fibonacci retracement tool. It is the most important level when we have a look at retracements. However, guys, this is Bitcoin, and in a bull market normally we are seeing very shallow corrections which are shortly lived. So I don't think that the chances are quite likely that Bitcoin will be coming down to these levels. I think it will be more likely that we will be reversing at the 38.20% level, maybe at the 50% level. Then guys, I want to show you a very important moving average right here on the weekly time frame. And yeah, most of you guys know this one, of course, but that is the 20-week moving average. And this is a very significant moving average when we have a look at bull markets and Bitcoin, because normally when Bitcoin is in a bull market, we are seeing a rally to the upside and eventually the price is being pulled back to the 20-weekly moving average. And yeah, right now the 20-weekly moving average is at approximately 19,500. But yeah, as the weeks goes by, this level is increasing in a rapid speed as well. So guys, that is something to take in mind, but this is usually a level where Bitcoin is retracing to in a bull market, and when Bitcoin remains in a bull market, we should be seeing a strong bounce of this level. So we could be seeing something like the following. The moving average right here, the 20-weekly moving average, will increase in the coming weeks, and the price of Bitcoin, yeah, will slowly come down, test this level, and eventually get supported by this level, and will continue in this uptrend. That could be definitely a very realistic scenario, guys. So for everybody who wants to accumulate Bitcoin, you should definitely be watching the 20-week moving average. If we were to get a weekly close below this level, then that would definitely be very bearish for Bitcoin. However, guys, I don't think that scenario is very likely right now if we have a look at the price action of Bitcoin. Then guys, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame, because yeah, I want to show you some patterns that I'm seeing, some channels that I'm seeing in the Bitcoin chart, which I think that are important. So right now we have actually quite clear price action. Bitcoin broke the neckline. We saw a continuational drop to the downside. Right now we are approximately 10%, a little bit more than 10% down from the break of the neckline. Right now we are trading between clear support and resistance levels. And yeah, in the shorter term time frame, we are seeing a bullish divergence. We could be seeing a bounce, but in the larger term time frame right here, Bitcoin is still looking bearish, trading below all the important moving averages, right? The 20 daily moving average, the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, as well below the 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which has actually shown quite some significance yesterday. So the 200 moving average is the yellow line right here, and you can see that we were seeing a small bounce from this level until we dropped further. But yeah, Bitcoin right now is trading below this level as well. So in the midterm time frame, Bitcoin right now is just looking not looking that bullish, but in the shorter term time frame we could be seeing a bounce. So guys, I want to share a couple of channels with you which could be clearing up some things in the Bitcoin chart. First of all, I want to share a small channel right here connecting these two resistances, and yeah, we make a channel. We can see that this is actually quite a respected channel. We got rejected from the resistance multiple times. We are getting supported from the bottom of the channel right here when we broke below this channel. We saw a continuational drop to the downside. I think this is quite interesting, because if we were to see a bounce right there, we could be seeing a rejection from the former support of the channel, which is turning into resistance, which right now is aligning with the horizontal resistance right here as well. Guys, next to this channel, I want to show you a even more important channel, which is the following. We are connecting right here the top right there with the another top, so we're connecting the resistance levels right there. And guys, this channel potentially is showing us that we have been touching the bottom of the channel and that Bitcoin could see a bounce from this level. And normally the middle of the channel is also very significant, guys. And as you can see, the middle of the channel has been respecting as well, has been respected by the price of Bitcoin as well. And right now is, yeah, kind of aligning with the horizontal resistance and with the former support of the smaller channel I have just been drawing. So guys, I do think that this is a very important channel to watch. Then guys, when we have a look at this channel right now, Bitcoin seeing so far support from the bottom of the channel, then I think we are seeing something interesting in the relative strength index. Because if I were to bring up the relative strength index, then we can see that so far we are seeing that the RSI is actually setting a higher low. It's not yet a confirmed bullish divergence. Definitely not, guys. We could be breaking the trend line right here as well. But yeah, we could be forming a bullish divergence right here as well. Where in the price, we have been setting a lower low in this downwards channel. And in the RSI, we are setting a higher low. Which as well is increasing the scenario that we could be seeing a bounce right here. And could be going to the middle of the channel. Of course, we want to see the reaction right here of Bitcoin's price in the middle of the channel. Are we going going to get a rejection, or could we actually break above this channel? If we were to break above this channel, then I definitely watch the resistance of this downwards channel as the next major resistance. Then guys, important question of course, does Bitcoin needs to correct further in order to see higher prices, in order to start a new uptrend? No guys, this is definitely not the case, because if we were to measure the retracement so far from the top right here till the bottom, then we see that we had already a 30% correction, and normally what we are seeing in a bull market is a correction from 30 to 40%. So right now it's definitely not a must that Bitcoin has to see lower levels. I do think it is the more likely scenario, but yeah, it is also possible that Bitcoin could reverse from these levels, because we have seen a correction right now of approximately 30%, which is the minimum we need to see for a bull market correction. So guys, right now the major support below us is at approximately 29,200, and the major resistance above us, it is at approximately 32,250. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. For everybody who is interested in my cryptocurrency trading course, right now you can enroll with a $50 discount using the code BTFD. Then guys, for all the traders out there, the Bybit bonus is still going on. So if you scroll below this video and you have a look at the pinned comment, then you can see my affiliate links to the exchanges that I'm using personally. And right now there is still a huge bonus going on with Bybit. And if you sign up on the Bybit platform using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $620. This bonus will end on the 5th of February, guys. So if you don't have this bonus yet on Bybit, or you don't have a Bybit account yet, then right now is definitely an awesome moment to create your account and to take advantage of this huge bonus. Then guys, I want to thank every single one of you for the amounts of likes we got on yesterday's video. We got an amazing amount of likes. And guys, if you want to support the channel, always make sure you scroll below this video and you make sure that the left thumb button right here, that is switched to blue. Guys, I really appreciate your engagement. A big shout out to all of you. I want to wish every single one of you an amazing day today. For the ones that haven't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.